The space is located among clouds to show you that you are entering a land of infinite imagination. R3imagine exists inside of geodesic domes because they are far more energy efficient than contemporary building structures and are a key part of our ecofuture. The museum moves and breathes as though the buildings were alive. An entryway surrounded by water leads to a main gallery, where a central dome exhibits artists who are world-class, diverse, and socially engaged. The space is equipped with 2 theaters for immersive film and video. One is outdoors, overlooking the sunset, while the other is equipped with magical floating orbs. There is also a live performance and panel discussion stage for experts to share their knowledge. A virtual world exists to make the real one a better place. So join me in what is not only a virtual museum, but a movement. One creating a future where sustainability is non-negotiable, diversity is the default, and imagination is the limit.